there. What should I pick up? This or this or this. But really not that. My father wants this. Only this too. What should I eat? Tell me down below. What should I eat? Like for the strawberry or subscribe for this orange. Subscribe for orange or like for the strawberry. So I will check it and we will watch what I eat. Okay, bye-bye.